quickly developing Honorable Gilbert Olanya, the Member of Parliament for Gilak South, has cited something so eye-catching. He has requested all the local council one of Acholi sub-region to start registering households. This in order to compare the release statistic by UBOS to the one that the LC1s will come up with. UBOS recently made errors showing that the population of Acholi has declined, raising questions for almost all the data, including the ones that they say Acholi were the poorest. And also later they corrected this one. But then Gilbert Olanya thinks there is much more to be done. Indeed, there's need for an independent members of inquiry to come in and find out if this is really true. The clear challenge that will be coming in is, will the LC1s do this, since it is coming from opposition, that's MPC Gilbert Olanya? Majority LC1s in the Acholi sub-region are in NRI. Will they undertake this? Will it happen? So this is something serious. And also in another development, Gilbert Olanya is set to bring another ambulance to his constituency. Just a reminder, a flashback to when Odongato laughed at the amount of money being spent to do the census. So they had enough money, but then this is the figures, this is the errors that we have been dumped in. The results of the census, is it against the Acholi people? Something which is frustrating people so much now.
Uganda, may God uphold thee. You want to use 338 billion shillings to count Ugandans? 338 billion shillings, which means it costs 7,500 shillings to count each person. Oh, I wonder where we are going. 338 billion shillings can put drugs in the health center, that you want to use it for counting us, and then you give us fake results inflating other tribes. What has happened to birth certificate and death certificate? Can we do plus or minus and save this 338 billion shillings for population and housing census? Dr. Bakiza, Uganda.
I'm trying to say that errors are made every day. In your homes, you make a lot of mistakes. When you hear a journalist talking, you think, this is a very perfect household. This is where you find the utopia. No. So I'm not resigning. I'm still serving my country I love. And I'm one of the best statisticians, by the way. You want to get the better one? Good luck. I'm training these ones. And even when I see that there is one good organization, I still have bad news for you.